'Cause every time I close my eyes, it's you. Will you be there for me when the sunlight is your eyes? Will you be there for me? Sunlight is your. You are the one.
Hi guys, so dark, but welcome back to my channel. My name is Naya. If it's your first time here, ooh. I have a sleepover with my friends today, which is so exciting. Angel literally just texted me earlier this week and she was like, are you free to have a sleepover this weekend? I'm like, yes I am. I just love any opportunity to hang out with my friends and just unwind and chill and not think too much about life. So I'm really excited for the weekend. I'm currently at Angel's. I finished work at like 4 and I just dipped right after. So yeah, I'm excited for the weekend. I decided to take you guys along, so stay tuned and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hey fam, we are shopping for tonight is puff puff night. so we're getting the ingredients for the puff puff. Stay tuned. Obviously I'm the chef in the group, so I'm gonna be carrying the majority of this cooking. We'll be back now. I'm gonna put them inside your nose. You need mushroom for the. Let me not be rude. Hello, are we done? It's a sleepover night, not a puff puff night. We just happen to be making puff puff. Because why not? Goat meat. It's actually really good. I'm making most of it. Welcome to this episode of Sleepover with the Girls. Woo! Hey. Okay. No music. Just joy. Please, I can't. Okay, we're gonna cook. We're gonna do a lot of things today. This is your free insight to a girls' night. Like, what do we do? What do we talk about? How do we relate? So actually, I'm chatting too much right now, but yeah. Anyways, okay, I'm on puff puff. Can I have ice cream first? No. I guess that's the reward at the end. Sure, let me call my baby first. Yeah.
No, he's just going to use credit from. Like, because he's not really giving wedding, yeah.
So we have order on the fried rice. Hi. So chef, can you tell us what's in the fried rice?
So I have some diced onions.
Okay.
And then a pack of mixed vegetables.
Oh.
Don't put eggs into it.
Nice. It's giving Asian fried rice. Love it. And the chicken is done. She's going to.
We have chicken. We have some shrimps.
Wow. Amazing. The girls, what are you guys doing? Gisting.
We're contributing moral support.
I chopped the chicken, cut the onion.
You chopped the chicken?
I provided the space.
Oh, okay. Jesus provided the space. That's all you did?
I did.
Boiled water.
Yeah.
Great. Are you going to put in the oven? Okay.
Well, she directed.
Oh, shit. Sorry, do you have more to share?
He's grown. He's actually a big baby. That's
fried chicken.
Because they're so angel pinch. That's like pinch.
Where is this? You were already so close.
Guys, I had no idea my friends put this entire sleepover together just to get me out of my house so my mom and sister could move around and get things that they need for the proposal without me suspecting. Like, this whole time I thought we were just hanging out, you know, a cute sleepover, but they had a well thought out plan and I was so clueless.
Gen Z. We need to get the Gen Z girls back in the kitchen. Ladies. No,
Okay, but we can't use the dishwasher though. I was actually going to say, my brother told me
What, guys, let me know in the comments below, what is it about Gen Z girls and hating housework, house chores? Nobody wants to do the dishes anymore. Nobody wants to do the dishes anymore. Nobody wants to clean anymore. We can use the dishwasher, but what? God, if there's something that can help me wash your hands, why will I be using my hands to wash it? It's the dishwasher for a reason. Use your dishwasher at home. With a good attitude, leave this place now. Oh.
So guys, I made jollof. Jollof, please drop that. That's how you know that. That's how you know she didn't do it. Drop that. This gas is on. It's not on. It's just hot. See now, the no. You don't know that it shows red. It shows red light when it was actually.
Out the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie. You understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch.
Gosh.
Tell about the healer. Later is someone with it, calling out the leader. Teach her how to hold the end up to the sky. And I'm wait upon the giver. Deliver like a demon.
Because the easiest one is that one that you just keep doing that. Keep your time. I feel like that one
Please drain the oil.
Son, she's under pressure. That's extended. What comes up for
Guys, shortly after this, I literally fell asleep and they were texting each other on the group chat that they opened to plan my proposal. Good morning.
Hi, morning.
We were 5, now we're 3. Oh, you woke up like with the list from.
I did.
Oh my gosh. Yeah. Anyways, this is day 2 of our sleepover, and I'm going to get my hair done this morning, as you can see. What are the girls up to?
Just around, just you know,
Around?
getting
Running errands, like doing chores. Yeah.
Okay. Cool. See you guys later. Bye. Bye. Girlhood. You guys, it's literally 6:54 a.m. and my hair appointment is by 9. So I need to finish stretching my hair, and Angel's helping me. Ooh, shout out to her.
Who needs sisters? Like her friends.
Because your friends turn into sisters. Okay guys, another thing was getting my hair done. I was not going to get my hair done. For some reason, I was just like, I'm tired of doing my hair. I was going to Nigeria soon, so I'm like, yeah, when I get to Nigeria, I'll get my hair done, right? But every time I had called my boyfriend, my fiance now, every time I had called him, he would just be like, are you going to get your hair done? When are you doing your hair? And I just felt, okay, maybe I actually look bad. I need to do my hair. But obviously he was just trying to get me to do the hair for the proposal. If not, I would have literally had my hair out looking a little bit crazy. But 2 days before this Saturday, I randomly woke up and I was like, you know what, I'm just going to get my hair done. Shout out to the Holy Spirit, because it was definitely him. Because guys, how is it that literally 2 days before, I was like, let me get my hair. Me again. I forget that driving in Toronto feels like an extreme sport, because I didn't know you could drive behind streetcars, and I was following a streetcar and I wasn't sure. I was like, am I even doing the right thing? But yeah, hopefully, I mean, thankfully there were people in front of me that were also driving with the streetcars, so I was like, okay, I guess everyone's doing it, it's fine. Oh my gosh. But yeah, I'm almost at my hair appointment, so yeah, let's go. Gosh, and like so many roads were closed. I was just like, what's happening today, please? But yeah, I'm almost there, sure. Hopefully the girl doesn't mind. I'm literally like 8 minutes. I'm literally 8 minutes late. But yeah, let me not miss my way again, please. Bye guys. Hi guys, I'm on my hair appointment and we have hair by Leo on my hair.
Let's sit in it.
With the power?
Yeah.
You can just set your back down there. We'll eat first, and then you can go to bed. I'm sure you're exhausted. And it's hot and ready. Your timing is perfect.
Even the hairstylist was in on this, because you don't know, whenever you're booking like a sew-in, leave out, like all these things, you have to book months in advance because they're always so busy. So when I had messaged her 2 days before, she was like, oh, she's not free. But then my friends literally had to tell her like, oh, please, can you just take her, because it's for her proposal. But she's like, oh, okay, she actually has a slot open in the morning, I can come early. And I was like, okay, thank you. And during this, when she was getting my hair done, she was really asking me, oh, are you going anywhere after this? And I was like, oh, I'm just going for my friend's worship night, nothing else planned. She's like, oh, okay. Guys, and she knew this entire time. Nah, everyone actually played their part.
She's a protective friend, right?
She is.
She's like, when her circle starts to link up, she's just like,
What are you guys doing?
I'm like, most.
Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so nice. Hi guys, join me. Your skin is crazy. I'm with Olo that doesn't want to be seen. I'll show her hair. Anyways, we're going to get bubble tea. I can't lie, this hair eats. Like, I haven't done a leave out in like 2 years, and the last one I did wasn't as nice, not gonna lie. But I used Yaki hair, so it matches my hair texture a bit better. I'm just scared that my hair is gonna get like puffy and then it wouldn't look cute. But I'm going to really try to maintain it. So we'll see. But yeah, let's go get some bubble tea. So we got mango, actually. That's it. Yeah. I'm just like, please. Hi everyone. Yes. Oh my gosh. So we're going for a worship night, and the theme, oh my gosh, she's about to die. The theme is white. So this is what we're wearing. Let me show you. Hopefully my body. Okay. Cute. My friend is wearing beige, but it's still white. It actually looks white. Exactly. It does. That's what matters. Okay, see y'all. Bye.